So what's React Native? React Native is a popular JavaScript framework by Meta, formerly Facebook. It allows developers to build cross-platform mobile apps using single code base. That means you can write your app once and run it in both Android and iOS to save time and effort and money also. Why React Native is very good and very helpful? React Native has a large community and ecosystem, and it uses JavaScript or TypeScript to develop apps, and JavaScript is a popular programming language and widely known. And also, it's easier for web developer to transition into mobile development. Also, React Native has a hot reloading and fast refreshing, and also it's widely used by major companies like Facebook, Instagram, Uber Eats, Pinterest, Walmart, Shopify, Tesla, Bloomberg, Discord, and Microsoft. And a lot of companies and business owners these days prefer to build their apps using React Native because they don't need to hire two separate teams for iOS and Android with two code bases, pay for one, not two. That was a quick intro to React Native. Now let's go and see what you need to learn before you start learning React Native.